start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today I've got quite a big haul from Saviland. Yeah, there's quite a few bits. So we've got builder in a bottle, base and top, brushes, nail gel glue. We've got gel polishes, stampers. So I'm just going to go through them all and swatch anything that is swatchable. So first we have got top and base set leaflet instructions. So these are in glass bottles, 15ml, and it comes with a little package. I thought this was a nice touch. So you get 10 little alcohol wipes, and these are just pre-soaked in 75% alcohol to get all the oils and dirt off your nails before application. And you get 2 little cuticle sticks and a mini file. So yeah, 15ml, big bottles. I like them. I love the white bottles with the pink labels. That's cute. So this is the base coat. It's quite thin, but it is really hot at the minute, so it's hard to get a gauge on what it would normally be like. But I felt like it's going to be quite a thin base coat, and the top coat felt thicker. Yeah, it was definitely thicker than the base. So then I have got 6 gel polishes, but these are French manicure gels. So these are 10ml, so they're a good size as well. And look at these guys, French manicure brushes. So the brushes are like cut at an angle, and I think that's just to help you get a bit of a French tip kind of thing. Aren't they cool? I've never tried brushes like that before. So that's the gold shimmer with tiny hex, and then the silver is like a shimmer as well. That's got tiny hex, super sparkly. Then we've got like a dark nude colour, and then lastly we've got the red, proper red, that isn't it. So I'm going to give these a quick swatch as well. I've already swatched 4 actually, forgot, just to save a bit of time. So they've all just had 1 coat. These were quite awkward to use. It took me a minute or 2 to get used to using that brush at an angle. So that's just 1 thin coat of the white. I'm going to do 1 thin coat of the black as well, and I'll give them a second coat off camera. When you're using white and blacks, you need really thin coats. These gel polishes, guys, and the top and base was actually sent to me as PR. And the rest of it is everything is what I've got off my Amazon Vine recommended. So I'm going to use this little angled brush. Yeah, and I think it just helps you get up into them corners just a bit easier than a normal brush. I think you definitely need a detailer brush to neaten it up a bit, but I thought I'd have a go just using the angled brush. Obviously a swatch stick's different from your nails, but I think it would help you get up into them corners a little bit more. So that's 1 coat. I've cured that for 30 seconds, and I have given it a second coat, and now I'm just going to give it a nice generous layer of the top coat. And yeah, that's that one done. Something quick and easy, isn't it? I really like these. They've got these in all different colours as well, so that's them all together. I would have liked to have seen a pink, maybe, instead of the red, but I really like them, quirky. So next we've got 4-in-1 nail glue gel. So this is not a builder gel. This is nail glue. You can use it as a base coat, a slip solution, and you can use it just to add a bit of strength to your natural nail. So this is colour pink. So this is what you get when you buy, you know, when you buy the full cover gel tips kits and they all come with clear glue. This is what this is, but pink. So I'm going to do a swatch of this just to see the colour, but I'm only doing a thinnish kind of layer, because if you're using this to apply full cover tips, you would I'm just using the same amount basically as what I would. It's really creamy and really opaque as well. I don't think I've seen a glue gel in a colour yet, so this is new for me. I think I'm going to try this on my right hand tomorrow. Really, really nice colour, isn't it? So yeah, that's for applying full cover tips, but you could put that over your natural nail, you know, to give your natural nail a bit of strength. It's really thick, but it's not as thick as Builder in a Bottle but it is thick, can you see? And it's a warm day as well, so it probably would be a little bit thicker than that. I really like that. I'm excited to use that actually. So again, that's in a 15ml bottle actually. I like that. I like that a lot. So I can't wait to try that. Right then, up next we have got, doesn't tell you on the box what it is, but these are actually builder in a bottles. So look at the size of this pack of nail foams it comes with, guys. I don't know how many's in there, but it's a lot, probably 100 or something. And I like this, it comes with some pinchers, and they're really strong as well. So these are to pinch your nails kind of halfway through curing, and it gives you that nice C curve and just pinches them in a bit, doesn't it? I've never used them. And it comes with 15ml again, a clear and a nude. I've never tried Saviland Builder in a bottle. This is a beautiful colour. I really like that colour. So I'm just going to give both of these a quick swatch. Now I'm going to swatch these in big thick layers because these are builder in a bottle. They're designed to build extensions. So the clear, I wanted to see if it cured with any yellowing really. So I've done that in a nice thick coat. And I'm going to do the same with the nude. This colour is so pretty. I really like it. Again, I'm going to do a thick coat. And these cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So that's both of them cured. I would have liked to have had a pink and a white instead of a pink and a clear. I think you can get it in a pink and a white set though. I think you do get that choice. So next we have got a little nail stamper kit. So you get a long skinny one and a small wider one. The cord I'm not keen on. I like soft flexible scrapers. And this is really thick and really rigid, but everyone has different preferences. It's just not mine. So we've got a long skinny one, quite thin, completely transparent, so you can see exactly where you're stamping. They're alright for small decals or small stamping images. And then we've got the shorter one, but it's a lot wider, can you see? And they've both got lids. I like that. I hate stampers without lids. And again, that's completely transparent. This one is a lot stickier. The big one felt a lot stickier and a little bit softer as well. Again, people have different preferences, don't they? So now we have got, these are actually acrylic brushes. I don't do acrylic, but I actually have got some acrylics that I want to swatch to show you. So I will use one of these. So you get 4 in a pack and they are all sized from 10 up to 16. And they've all got the Saviland branding on them as well. These are really smart. They look good. But it's no good looking good if they're crap. So that's your size 10 there. As far as acrylic brushes go, I couldn't really tell you about the quality, guys, because I don't use them. But I'll try my best to show you, and I'm going to use one this week. So that's the sizes up close. If anyone has used these, feel free to leave it in the comments if they're any good or not. They're not pinched, I do know that, they're not pinched. You can pinch these brushes yourselves. There's lots of videos on YouTube on how to pinch your brushes. So yeah, these are not pinched at all. They are smart though, aren't they? Anyway guys, that is it for today. So a quick recap. That is the builder in a bottle. Beautiful colour, I love that. I really love that colour. And this is the 4-in-1 nail glue gel. I think that is what I'm going to use to apply some full cover tips on my right hand tomorrow. That's a nice colour as well. And then this is the French manicure gels. They're really cool. I've never seen anything like them. I really haven't. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to quickly show you what I got today and swatch what was swatchable. All links will be below. I have got a discount code on its way. As soon as I've got the discount code, I will add it to my description box or pin it in my comments. So I will definitely be using some of these products over the next week or so. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want me to use. Obviously I'm going to use the 4-in-1 nail glue gel first, I think. But yeah, if there's anything in particular you want me to use first, let me know and I will. But yeah, that's it for today. All links again will be below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.